Okay, there are some things that I want us to consider when we are working with dividing fractions. We are going to have a lot of word problems and story problems in your packet this week, and in general, that's really how we see math the most is in context. So I want you to think about some keywords that tell us that we know we need to divide, right? Some keywords we've talked about in class might be that you need to split it, right? Or divide equally. Anytime you see like pulling apart into equal pieces, right? That idea of splitting something up equally is always division. Sharing evenly, right? We're sharing among friends, maybe is what you might hear. If you see the keyword each or every, like each person gets the same amount, right? That would be division. Or every, right? Same idea. It could be out of, right? We know that we've talked about fractions, right? As this like out of kind of idea with a fraction bar, right? So that could be something that you see. And it might also be, they might talk about a ratio, right? And we know that ratios can be written as fractions, and really fractions are division, right? When we have a fraction that is dividing. The other thing that I want us to think about is that we are splitting, whatever we're splitting up comes first, right? So if I'm splitting up a pie, right, the pie is the number that is going to come first. So if I were to, right, that object or the pie, right, that's what's coming first in this first part where it says object, right? Or you might have, so let's say I am splitting a pizza among 4 friends, right? Am I splitting up the pizza or am I splitting up the friends, right? That's something that I think to myself when I'm trying to figure out how to write that division expression, right? And I know I'm not splitting up the friends, right? I'm splitting up the pizza in this case so that each person gets the pizza. Okay, and that is what's going to come first where it says that word object. And that's something I just want you to keep in mind as you encounter some of those trickier word problems.